Hello, my name is Lisa Dobias. I am an associate professor of practice at the University of Texas at Austin in the Stan Richards School. I'm also the founder and the managing director for Texas Media and Analytics. So Texas Media and Analytics is a 3-course program that is elective that students in the Stan Richards School can apply for once they've taken the Media Foundations course. And it is a deep dive into the entire process of investigating, recommending, and executing media campaigns. So we really are about basically educating the future leaders in the media space and working on skills and mindsets to really set the tone of the industry that we want to have in the future. Students work on writing, researching, presenting, and really critical thinking and problem solving. So it is creating what I call scientific artists that really are people who combine kind of both left and right brain activities. In our program, we hope to foster students that are inquisitive, curious, capable, able to be ready for their first job, as well as create their last job in the future. So the question of where do our students go and what opportunities do they have is a really hard answer to come up with because our students really cross many different boundaries. In fact, there really aren't boundaries. The way that I would look at it is anywhere that a consumer and a brand intersect, our students work in those spaces, be it at clients, agencies, vendors, publishers. So you list it, we've got folks there at all different levels. The main reason a young person should be interested in media is because we are really the front line with consumers. So there is an application for Texas Media and Analytics every long semester. At the end of the semester, essentially we ask students to provide a short writing prompt, polished resume, and then a video response to their story, why this is the right fit for them. That allows the entire committee to review the full student and not just a piece of paper. So what do we look for in applicants in entering students into the Texas Media and Analytics program? It's a combination of things, some tangible, some intangible, but really evidence of leadership, evidence of ability to have a passion beyond, and evidence of someone who is not afraid of biting off something very ambiguous and figuring things out as we go. So inventors, as well as folks who can dissect and reassemble ideas in new ways. So every semester we do have a handful of what I call double dippers, which are students that do more than one program within the Stan Richards School. Definitely kind of like the extreme experience here on campus. I think the biggest thing is making sure that you're not spreading yourself too thin, that you actually have enough bandwidth to bite off more than one because all the sequences are pretty intense. But they are sprinkles on top of an amazing degree. So I do want to point out the Stan Richards degree is an amazing degree, that this is just extra icing on that experience. I would say the most difficult task within Texas Media and Analytics is simply balance and making sure that you keep a good amount of time allocated to academia as well as outside activities, because we don't want a student losing their ability to stay engaged in the community by being absorbed into coursework. So it's that balance of industry and academia that we really want to encourage. So I'm going to say the biggest skill is critical problem solving, true, deep critical problem solving. Partnered with that is the ability to take an idea to the next level, really understanding the consumer journey and how the brand and the campaign need to fit together and meld into that journey. It's not just an idea, it's an integrated, holistic view of the consumer, and then the ability to tap into that in a way that's truly meaningful and actionable beyond what a traditional academic project would be. So it's something that many of our clients on the outside, and we only work with real clients, have come to us and said that this is the kind of work that they would expect from very seasoned professionals, because we do push on each area very, very hard to make sure that the work is, if you will, road ready. So roles for our students and roles for media are evolving constantly. In this era of big data, so we have a lot of folks moving into the analyst role, but you also will see evidence of folks from a media background anytime there are decisions basically regarding audience and interaction and engagement there. So students in Texas Media and Analytics have access to a significant number of outside activities that we participate in. We host panel discussions with industry experts, companies like Amazon, organizations like the AAF, the 4As, all come in and we'll have fireside chats specifically with just our students. They also have the opportunity to attend outside conferences that we are a part of and participate in other events and experiences such as the Minority in Advertising Internship Program. A lot of it happens here on campus because we have a very strong alumni base, and so after 20 years of existing and really fostering those relationships, the alumni want to give back, and it's a matter of who we can fit in a semester, not who we have to really build up. So we really have this amazing alumni group that make us who we are. 3 words: challenging, worthwhile, it's kind of a cheat, trajectory creating. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to TAPR. We hope you come back. Hook 'em horns.